We are going to be discussing about how to create Workspace in Microsoft Edge. So Workspace in Microsoft Edge gives you the opportunity to actually share your browser with a different person you are working with. For example, let's say you are working on a project and you want to actually share the site or the website you are working with or the links you are working with a different person who is also working on that project. Workspace gives you the opportunity for both of you to be able to see and be in line with each other on the same project. So to create a workspace, what you need to do is the following. Here I'm actually in a Windows 11 operating system and I want to create a workspace. Here you can see we have our Microsoft Edge, and when you go to the left hand side of your Microsoft Edge, you can see we have Workspace. So when I click Workspace, it's going to tell me to create a new workspace. So I'm just going to call this, let me just call this sales project, and then click done. Then after creating the project, you can see it says browse the web together. So what we can actually do, for example, let's say I create let me just add a folder here and let me just call this test 001 and I click save. You can see we have a folder there, and I want to invite a specific user to be able to actually share this workspace with us. So I'm going to actually enter the following email, James Simon, and I'll be sharing this. I'll be trying to actually invite James Simon to join me on this web space. So here I'm going to send invite email to James. It's been sent. You can see it says invite email has been sent. So now let's go to the device of James and then try to actually see if we can actually see the workspace that have been sent to us. So if I go to my C003, so this is actually a Windows 10 device. Here you can see the Windows 10 device, and we are logged onto this device as James Simon. So if we go to our device here on our Windows 10 device, and you can see we receive an email which says join workspace. So what I need to do right now is to click the join workspace. So it will actually try to join the workspace that we have been invited to. And you can see here we go. This is the test workspace we've just been invited to, and that's the sales project. So let me try to create a new folder here. I'm going to call this test 002 and then click save. You can see we now have test 002. So let me go back again to my Windows 11 device. And this is my Windows 11 device. You can see we are now seeing test 002. Just to show you what I'm doing, let me just enter to you can see this is my C001 and that's the host name of this device. You can see we are seeing the test 002, and if I decide to create a new one here as well, and let me just call this 3, and then if I go back again to my Windows 10 device, here you can see we are seeing the test 003. So just to show you that I'm working on a different device, you can see that's the C003, and this is actually a Windows 10 device compared to the other device, which is a Windows 11 device. So this is how you create a workspace to actually collaborate with different users to work on on the same web browser. So we can now decided to actually create and then just decide to start putting links in that folders, or start putting links on this tab here. Thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video. My name is Kelvin Johnson, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please try and leave a comment to help me grow my channel, and if you have any question concerning IT, just send me an email or leave a comment and I'll reply to you as quick as possible. Bye.